Hello dear students, welcome to history class. Today we are going to learning in history part, chapter 2, the earliest societies for class 6, part 1. In this chapter, we are learning some concepts. That concepts are there to understand about hunting and gathering. To understand about hunting and gathering. And next concept is there to appreciate the skills and knowledge of hunter and gatherers. So next concept, to learn about stone tools and their use. And next concept is there to learn to use stone artifacts. And last concept is there here to learn about Stone Age art. So these all concepts today we are learning chapter number 2, the earliest societies. See here, these all concepts one by one we are learning. So first concept is there here, ancestors. Ancestors of human beings. See here, ancestors of human beings. See, it is the first concept of this chapter, ancestors of human beings. See here students, what is meant by ancestors? Ancestor means these are early peoples. These are early peoples. Okay? So in ancient peoples, otherwise early peoples, these are the ancestors of human beings. We know, see here, the earth is formed over 4,600 million years ago. Million years ago. The earth was formed around 4,600 million years ago. The life was started in that earth around 3,500 million years ago. Million years ago. And next thing, so we have found here limited plants and animals of millennia. Millennia. Millennia means what? Thousands of years. Thousands of years. It's a millennia. So when the earth was formed, so started the life on that earth around 3,500 years ago. Afterwards, in 1,000 years, after the 1,000 years, some limited plants and animals we found there. We have found them. Okay, and slowly the man, means the early man, like calling we, the early human was appeared on the earth in the period of Pleistocene. Pleistocene or early Pleistocene. Early Pleistocene. Okay, Pleistocene period we have found here early mans. Okay, Pleistocene period or early Pleistocene period, the humans appeared there, appeared on the earth. And previous, the Pleistocene period, the early humans. See here, once again I repeating this one, ancestors of human beings. Ancestors means early people. Our earth was formed around 4,600 million years ago. Around 3,500 million years ago, the life was started in that earth. At millennia means at the thousands of years ago, some limited plants and animals we have found there. Also here, early man means human beings also appeared on the earth. So that we calling Pleistocene or early Pleistocene period. When human beings appeared on the earth, the early mans in that Pleistocene period, they are ape-like creature. Ape-like creature. Ape-like creature means this ape-like creature, humans appeared on the earth. So these ape-like creatures, we call that hominids. Hominids. The early humans appeared on the earth. So that creature, how it is that? Ape-like creature called that hominids. So that hominids, they could not stand straight. They could not stand straight. Otherwise, they could not stand on the straight walk. Okay? Because he was bended man. Like by example, monkey. Okay? Also, he was by hand only he was walking like animal. See here, these people, hominids are, so they are early peoples. They move from one place to other place to search of food and shelter. They like treetops and caves. Afterwards, gradually the early humans are evolved. Evolved means developed. He was developed. He could stand, but he was erect. He could stand, but he was erect. Okay, and his fingers are flexible. His fingers are flexible. It is help to anything capture it. Anything hold in this hand. The fingers are flexible. These fingers are help to him. And otherwise, these flexible fingers also used to making tools. Making tools. And his brain case is larger. His brain case is larger and his jaws were small. So this type peoples we are calling that Homo erectus. Homo erectus. Homo erectus means understood? So gradually the early humans are developed. How they developed? Their fingers are flexible and also their brain case was larger and jaws was smaller. So this type people we call that Homo erectus people. And these Homo erectus people move from, means they travel from long distances. They travel from long distances because they could stand. They could stand, but they are erect. They are moving one place to other place by walk. Okay? So these are the Homo erectus. So afterwards they are changed. So then we called, totally they are changed. Then we called Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens. See here. Homo sapiens means here thinking. They are thinking. They are good thinking. Otherwise they are bad thinking. But they are thinking. Okay. They are wise. They understood what they can be doing. Means they understood. So what we are doing. Okay. So like by example, modern day peoples. Today's people. By example, we all are. Okay. Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens means, it literally means that, what? Thinking. He was thinking and he was wise and by example of Homo sapiens, the modern day peoples. Then here these peoples here help to the prehistory. Prehistory period started here. In this prehistory period, the man was thinking, he was developed, okay, he was making some things, but he could not write and he could not read. How to write and how to read, he don't know anything, okay. He know how to hunting, how to gathering, okay, this all he know, okay, but could not know the how to write and how to read. He know painting, how to paint that pictures, he know that, okay. So this period is called as prehistory period. In India, the prehistory period began at 1.5 million years ago. The prehistory period began in India. So in that place, in that Bori, Maharashtra. In Bori, Maharashtra, the archaeologists are found so many historic, some artifacts, okay, some evidence found in Bori in Maharashtra that. Okay students, see here once again I repeating this one. So today's class, ancestors of human beings. The earth was formed around 4,600 million years ago, and in that earth the life was started around 3,500 years ago. So in that time, limited plants and animals we have seen, we have found there in millennia. Millennia means what? Thousands of years. In thousands of years ago, when earth was formed, when the life started on that earth, in that period we have found there the life, means the limited animals and plants in millennia. And afterwards he was hunter-gatherer. So sorry, here peoples means some early humans also appeared on this earth. Early humans also appeared on this earth. So this period we call that, so Pleistocene period or early Pleistocene period. Afterwards, early humans are in this period ape-like creature, so they called hominids, means they could not stand, means they could not walk properly. They could not stand also properly, they could not walk also properly. So this type people we call that hominids. So he was hunter-gatherer. He moved one place to other place, search of food and shelter. He liked treetops and caves. So gradually afterwards he was changed, he was evolved. Evolved means what? Developed. He was developed. He could stand, he could walk. Okay, but see here his fingers are flexible and also his brain case was large and his jaws were small. So this type people we call them Homo erectus people. These Homo erectus are moved long distances. They traveled long distances. And nextly, Homo sapiens, they are developed, they are changed, in changes in their body. We have seen in changes in their body. So them called Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens, it literally means thinking, wise. By example, modern day people. And here started prehistory period. In this prehistory period, people means early man was developed here, but he could not write, how to write and how to read. They know painting, how to painting, that he know that, okay, but he don't know how to write and how to read. In India, the prehistory period began at 1.5 million years ago. So we found in Bori, Maharashtra. Some archaeologists are found here some evidence of the prehistory. So prehistory started here, Bori, Maharashtra. Okay students, you make it point these all correctly. Okay, and you read it daily points that all. Okay, first thing is good handwriting, I want that. Afterwards you write it points and you send it my WhatsApp number. See here, today's class, chapter 2, the earliest societies, part 1 completed here. I hope you all are understood today's topic. And next topic I am continuing in next period. Thank you.